Hello, I am SK Aryan Ali, the team leader of Kolkata Warriors, and I am proud to present our AI-driven agricultural solution designed to empower small and marginal farmers, enhance their productivity, and help them make data-driven decisions for a more sustainable and prosperous future. Empowering small and marginal farmers through AI-driven agricultural solution can revolutionize agriculture at the grassroots level. The AI-driven solution is one, data collection through affordable sensors, deploying low-cost IoT sensors in field to monitor soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels. Mobile data entry, farmers inputting data via simple mobile applications or SMS, feeding into a central system. 2-point AI analysis, predictive analytics, machine learning models forecast weather patterns, pest outbreaks, and optimal planting times based on collected data. Personalized insights, algorithms tailor recommendations specific to each farmer's land and crop conditions. Resource optimization, AI determines the precise amount of water, fertilizers, and pesticides needed, minimizing waste. Third, accessible communication, local language support, providing information in regional dialects to ensure comprehension. Multiple platform, delivering insights via SMS, voice calls, or mobile apps based on the farmer's preference. Fourth, market connectivity, digital marketplaces, connecting farmers directly with buyers, eliminating middlemen. Price forecasting, AI analyzes market trends to suggest the best time to sell produce. 6. Continuous learning and support educational content, providing tutorials on sustainable farming practices and new technologies. Community forums, platforms where farmers share experiences, fostering a supportive network. Feedback loops, farmers' input helps improve AI models, making the system more effective over time. Impact of the solution, increased yields. Precision agriculture lead to healthier crops and better harvest. Cost savings, efficient use of resources reduces expenses on inputs like water and fertilizers. Risk mitigation, early warning enable proactive measures against climate events and pests. Fair pricing, direct market access ensures farmers receive appropriate compensation for their produce. Empowerment, knowledge and connectivity give farmers greater control over their livelihood. Statistical insight, farmers adopting AI solutions have reported yield increases of up to 30% along with significant reduction in input costs. Looking ahead, knowledge is power. Empowering farmers with information leads to informed decisions. Food security improves. Higher productivity contributes to feeding growing populations. Final thoughts, empowering small and marginal farmers with AI-driven solutions is about more than technology. It's about equity, leveling the playing field for those who've been historically disadvantaged. Sustainability, promoting practices that protect the environment for future generations. Innovation, encouraging continuous improvement and adaptation in the face of global challenges. Thank you.